Hi guys, it's now the end of the day. I've had a pretty full day today and I'm about to have a barbecue evening meal. But first of all, let's show you what happened today. The day started off with a beautiful sunrise. We proceeded up to get some breakfast, which is great waffles and coffee at the Lima Organica. And then we went into the forest, into the bush, and it's just so tranquil. Quite extraordinary scenes. In this area is the tallest waterfall in Tasmania. It's very spectacular. Then we went on to, yes, a pub in the Paddock. Seemed like it was out in the middle of nowhere, and it was. Hi everybody. Served great beer. The publican let me take a small video inside. Then later in the day we went for a great walk in the bush up to St Patrick's Head, which was quite exhausting, but once again most spectacular. Getting towards the end of the day, and we found this monstrous tree. Well, as you can see, we've done a lot today, but now it's a cool evening and we're going to have a nice hot meal. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.